What's going on, guys? It is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and today in our spotlight we'll talk about the company PHIL, but for the purposes of this video I will call that company Phil. So on Phil we had a 100% breakout in 4 days on a liquid stock, and when I say liquid stock I mean you could have bought thousands and thousands worth of dollars of shares and have a 100% run, which is absolutely amazing in the OTC. You don't often see these kind of liquid stock that run 100%. Now, what caused these two gap ups right here is the following. As always, we go to the Twitter account of the company and we can see that they tweeted on September 10th, "Dear valued shareholders, stakeholders, and potential investors, we are very excited to let you know we will be making a big announcement next week, which will accelerate the course of PHI Group and is expected to have a tremendous, long-lasting impact on our company's future." And right after that, they tweeted, "Phil, details for the announcement will be provided by Tuesday, September 14th. We want to thank you for your continued support and let you know that our commitment to creating value for our shareholders has been stronger. God bless." So these are fantastic tweets. They're saying big announcement coming next week, which will have a tremendous long-lasting impact on their company. And that tweet, as you can see here, is on September 10th, and that is Friday. And if you go inside the tweet, you can see that it was on 8:18 a.m., meaning that that was pre-market. And that's what caused this huge gap up right here. And because that was on Friday and they told us that the announcement will be on Tuesday, September the 14th, there was another gap up on Monday, September the 13th, because people were excited about the announcement. They wanted to enter the stock before the announcement itself, and that got the stock price to go all the way up to 0.135, giving us a 100% run in 4 days. And if you enter the stock at the opening bell right when they tweeted that tweet alone, you could have made 66% on a liquid stock in 2 days. Absolutely fantastic. Now, according to the tweet, today is the day they should announce their big announcement, their big, tremendous, long impact announcement. So keep an eye out for Phil. And as I see, there are two scenarios. The first scenario, there will be a classic sell the news right here because the stock already ran 100% or 66% from the tweet alone, and that is a lot. And the second scenario is that the announcement will in fact be a tremendous long impact announcement, and the stock price will continue to rise, and we might even see new highs, but that only depends on the announcement itself. It should be pretty big to surpass the previous highs around the 2 penny area. So that was it about Phil. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the future videos. As always, join our Simple Trade Discord community and have a green and profitable day.